How to change Android phone language from Arabic to English. As you can see that now my phone has been working with the Arabic language. So in order to change this Android phone's language from Arabic to English, I'll show you some of the quick ways to change it. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video you will get an idea to change Android phone's language from Arabic to English. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, you need to swipe and find out settings on your Android device. Open it, and once you open it, you need to click on this additional settings icon. Now once you are here, you need to choose the second option here, and once you open it, as you can see, it has been set to Arabic as default. So in order to change to English, tap on English and then tap on yes. Once you have done that, as you can see that it has already been changed to English, and when you exit from this page, all the languages has been set to English and English has been set as a default language. So that is how we easily change Android phone language from Arabic to English. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.